In the competitive world of automotive expertise, finding the right talent is crucial. Introducing CCI Work-Style Assessments, the innovative tool designed to revolutionize your hiring process. Our cutting-edge platform doesn't just assess candidates, it provides a detailed 11 to 12-page dossier for each prospective hire. This dossier meticulously identifies their strengths and weaknesses, benchmarking them against profiles of best-in-class workers in auto body technician, automotive painter, and damage estimator roles. CCI Work-Style Assessments empower you with unparalleled insights. Each dossier unveils a candidate's potential, showcasing where they excel and where they might need further development, all compared against the traits of successful industry professionals. The detailed dossier provided by CCI Work-Style Assessments gave us a roadmap to identify candidates who truly embodied the traits of top performers in each role. Having such comprehensive insights helped us make informed decisions, saving time and resources while ensuring we brought in candidates with the right abilities and mindset. With CCI Work-Style Assessments, you don't just get assessments, you receive a powerful dossier and interview guide that informs your hiring decisions. Say goodbye to uncertainty and hello to a team tailored for success. Elevate your recruitment game today with CCI Work-Style Assessments and unlock the detailed dossiers that reveal the perfect fit for your auto body shop's success. CCI Work-Style Assessments, your partner in finding the right people for every job in your auto body shop.